This is a video on the quadratics module, and it's the second one on the second half of Quad E2. This video is on the method of factorisation for the box method. Now we're going to be looking at the second method for solving quadratics as a form of y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And the first one we're looking at is 6a squared plus 17a plus 5. And our first step is to draw a box, hence why it's called the box method. In this cell goes our first term, and in this cell goes our last term. Similar to the previous method, 6 times 5 equals 30. Two things that multiply, or two factors that multiply to 30 and add to 17 would be 15 and 2. So if we were to split that 17a term up, it would be 15a and 2a. Now we put those two into the other cells, and it doesn't matter which order. I could have put 2a here and 15a there. Now what we do is we look across the row and we find the common factor. So 6a squared and 2a would be 2a. 15a and 5 would be 5. Okay, once you've done the rows, you then look down the column. 6a squared and 15a would give you 3a. 2a and 5, the only thing that you could find there is 1. Okay, once you've done that, you can then read off your brackets going across and down. Okay, so we've got going across 3a plus 1, going down 2a plus 5. Or we could have written it as 2a plus 5, 3a plus 1. Okay, so let's look at another one. Draw the box. Enter in the first term, last term. 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. Two things that multiply to give negative 18, but add to give my 7 in the middle would be 9 and negative 2. So we have 9x and negative 2x. Looking at my factors, so across here my factor would be x. Next row my factor would be 3. Okay, once you've done your row, then look, sorry about that, so that should have been 6. Now look at your column, so down this way, 3x squared and 9x would give me 3x. Then the next column, negative 2x and negative 6 would be negative 2. Then reading off your brackets, doesn't matter which order, so I have x plus 3, and then reading across 3x take 2. Again, or 3x take 2, x plus 3. Okay, last one. Draw your box, put in your terms. 6 times negative 8 is negative 48. Two things that multiply to give negative 48. Oh, I did the same thing as before. Nice to know that I'm consistent. Common factor is 2. So 2 bracket 3y squared minus 4y minus 4. Now draw your box. Okay, fill it in. 3y squared negative 4. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Two things that multiply to give negative 12 and add to give negative 4 would be negative 6 and 2. So I have negative 6y and 2y. Looking at common factors, 3y squared and 2y would be y. Negative 6y and negative 4 would be negative 2. Down. 3y squared and negative 6y would give me 3y. Down here I have 2. Okay, so then reading my brackets, I have y minus 2 3y plus 2. Okay. What now? Well, if you'd like to practice the box method, you can do that by completing exercise quad E1. If you're not too keen on the method or you're still not understanding it, you might want to go and look at the cross method first and then make your decision on whether you're going to be using splitting, box or cross method, and then maybe watch that video again. Remember, ask for help if you need it.